skip to here. The first thing they want to do is refine their random choice algorithm, which I had already done. So we're going to have conflicts. Random utilities. Define random choice index chances. Also, they shouldn't be doing this when there's a standard library function to do it. Is random choices. I was thinking more, and I can't figure why it's not why it takes two lists rather than a dictionary. When a dictionary is guaranteed to be the same length. You know, two arbitrary lists. And one of them absolutely has to be at least as long as the first. As I said, the only negative thing about it is that if you wanted to have the first list of keys to have multiple entries, duplicates, well, you can't do that because the dictionary has unique indexes. But that doesn't make much sense. It's just so wordy to do it like this. When I set up a nice dictionary, so that I think I should just be able to choose from choose monster weights. Boom. A little side file, I called it weighted choice or something like that. Anyway, it doesn't matter, it's not loaded. Okay. From random import randint. At least this time he's going from a 1 to the random chance rather than 0. The whole rest of the program is starting at 0. Running some. Yeah, choice. Return choices. He's using a dict, like I am. Oh, there's his weights. I wanted to change my regular weights back. 70 for a healing potion. And 10 for each scroll. Monster choice equal random choice from dict, monster chances. Non-comparable line. Again. Is monster choice equal choices of a list of my keys, list of my weights. The random.choices function takes care of all the logic. If monster choice equal work, monster choice equal roll. So we just remember that rather than using random choice from dict, which, as I said, this is the format I'd like, but just putting a wrapper on a standard library function is awkward. Where we should be memorizing the format for all the standard library functions, not having to create custom wrappers so that once it comes time to use it on demand, we don't remember what the parameters are. Anyway, monster choice function. How much? We're all good. This is a lot more extensible than our previous solution, but we still haven't achieved what we set out to do. What we really want is variable weights depending upon the dungeon floor. That is, the deeper you go, the more likely you'll run into trolls instead of orcs, and the more likely you are to find useful items rather than just healing potions. Let's create a new function that will accept a range of values that tell us when a certain thing appears in the dungeon and with what weight. Function returns the weight appropriate for the dungeon level. It should go in random utilities.py and look like so. So we didn't create a random utilities.py yet. You just wanted the root directory? Freak. Wait, maybe I'm supposed to, here? I saw it move, but I can't tell if it's there or not. And utils.py. Py. I'll move again. I don't see it. Ah, here it is. It's okay. It was automatically added. It's highlighted in green because I haven't told Git to do it yet. You know, cool. I wonder if I could real easy. See it. Open it. Click onto you. Untracked. Okay. Hashbang. Shebang. Find from dungeon level. From dungeon level. Table. Dungeon level. Value, comma, level. In reverse table. Dungeon level. Greater than or equal to level. Oh, evil. Evil Knievel. Return value. Return 0. Tells us when a certain thing appears in a dungeon and with what weight. The function returns the weight appropriate for the dungeon level. This might not make sense right away, but let's put it into practice, see what happens. We can remove the max monsters per room and max items per room variables, since they'll be determined by the dungeon level instead of being passed to the function. Could really say what file you're talking about here. From map objects dot portal from render functions import render order. Assume we'll be talking about here then. From random utilities. Import from dungeon. Okay. Oh, no, that's nope. I'll need to import a random here from random choices. Why don't you like? Why's that from underlined? It's freaking me out, man. Define place entities. There we go. Where is our max? I don't see a max right now. Not defined there. We're using it here, but it's not defined there. Monsters per room. Oh, yeah, actually, he wanted us to keep those. From dungeon level. Become a 1. I'm a 3, 4. Close. Take a head open. Not helpful to have the hint overlapping the text. 5, 6. Close. Close. Self.dungeon level. I don't know, if I put another one in, is it gonna like mark it red or anything? I don't see that it's marked it. Alright. Monsters. Max items per room. From dungeon level. Comma 1. Comma 2, comma 4. Comma. That's it. Self.dungeon level. Monster chances equals. Oh. Monster weights, please. Hey, uppercase names before? Comma 3 30 comma 5 comma 7 engine level. So I'm guessing this will be a weight of 15 under level 3. 3, 4, 3 and 4 will have a 30% chance. Level 5, 6 will have a 60% chance. Level like that. I'm not gonna like how they're doing this at all. Value comma level. If dungeon level is greater than level, return value. So no trolls before level 3. And it's reversing the table. Yeah, it goes backwards. It checks its high first. Okay. First thing it'll check is if you're greater than level 70 and give it a value of 60, a weight of 60, and then return. Or return, so it won't check the rest. And then after that, if you weren't greater than level 7, it's going back. So you gotta. And if you're not at level 3, it's going to return to 0. Okay. Now, it's just a perfect opportunity to slap a list generator in there. Make a create a little geometric function or whatever you want. Where returning W for W in dungeon level. Dungeon level is always the same. Be higher frequency at a higher dungeon level. Well, you know, just at a minimal. Dungeon level times 10, you know. At level 7, you're going to have a 70% chance for a troll. Even a generator. Okay, monster weights, okay. Item weights. I'm going to copy this from above. Five. No chance to get a lightning scroll before dungeon level 4. Jeez. Kicking our ass here. Oops. 6, not a 7. Okay, Confusion Scroll's the most worthless, but you won't get one until at least level 2. It's only a 10% chance. What's nice is that once you get to level 4, you get a Fireballs. Oh, no. Oh, they changed the order on me. Those sons of bitches. You know what? Let's be progressive and go alphabetical. Confusion Scroll, that I was saying, the 10% chance level 2. The Lightning Scroll has a 25% chance of level 25. So once you get to level 4, you will Confusion Scrolls will be a minimum. They're a minority. I was saying that's nice. Level 6 for the Fireball Scrolls. We also need to update our call to place entities and make map. I better run this stuff out up here, because I'll just delete it. Make map, make map, make map. New room entities. We're looking for self.place entities. It said make map, but self.place entities. There we go. Because we've removed max monsters, yes, thank you. I was very concerned about that. Then being distracted about it, since I mentioned it a few pages back. Because we removed max monsters per room, max items per room from the function call, we also removed them from the definition of make map. Definition of make map. I'm still defining those variables someplace. But did we? We removed it from the function call, but we still have to use something to make it a max. We should also remove these variables from initialize new game.py. What's that? Max monsters per room, max items per room. Feeling confused. From the calls to make map. From the calls to make map. Map width. Map height. Nope. Well. Name map.make map. Max rooms, room min size, room max size, map width, map height, player entities. I don't want the rest of it. What's Control D do? Not sure, but I think it's what I wanted. Selects all my entities so I can change the name. Okay. Hey. Enemies. Whoa. No, 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 it has to be entities. Fail. But if I did do that and hit Control D, ENTI, I should be able to hit equal here. Didn't fix that one. That's funny. That's funny. Why? Okay. Entities. Entities. We would also remove these variables from the calls to make map in initialize new game.py. Initialize new game.py. Doing. And in next floor in game.map.py. Next floor. Those tabs. No, they're not. Okay. Like so. Now our dungeon gets more dangerous as we go deeper. But we still have that defined. He did not tell me to take it out of here. Where are we at? Near the bottom. Constants equals. Don't tell me beep. I didn't see that they told me to take it out of constant. Now looking for just constants is going to be a pain-ish. Not really. They all fit on one page, and you can see this is what we just did. More so it is not this declaration of constants. I'm sure I won't forget. Or if I can bookmark. 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 Toggle breakpoint. Oh, so close. Not a breakpoint, just a bookmark. Gotta be bookmarks. Whoop. How'd I do that? That's just looking for help. Yeah, bookmark, Visual Studio Code, bookmark. Bookmarks, Visual Studio Marketplace. Well, are there bookmarks in Visual Studio Code? Fucking assholes. Are there bookmarks? You say, oh, you try searching the internet? Yeah, it led me to this question. I'll answer it. Alright, this says an extension, this says an extension. Not natively. Accepted answer conflicts with toggling breakpoints via the margin. Right. This one guy says, hey, could you change the accepted answer since the new answer is yes? There is one. How about a question from within the past year? That's smart. Attention. Microsoft Docs. Set code bookmarks in Visual Studio. Visual Studio, Microsoft Docs. This is not Visual Studio, this is Visual Studio Code. Make sure giving all your programs the same name. Okay. Yeah, just extensions. Nothing I enjoy more than deciding which of 10 extensions I like the best. Anyway, I won't forget. Alright, now our dungeon. Doing all that. Oh. Our dungeon is getting more dangerous as we go deeper. Mission accomplished. The game itself is still pretty easy though, so let's change that by modifying the default values for each entity's fighter component, including the player. We'll also modify we'll also modify the values for the healing potion, fireball scroll, and lightning scroll. Find get game variables. Define get game variable. Get game variables. That's here. Good thing it was right there, because I never would have figured it out. Alright. Fighter component equal fighter. He said it's pretty easy. Let's give him 70 more hit points. Give the player 70 more hit points. What? Lower the defense is necessary for how they're doing combat. Yep. Power equals 4. What the hell? Open hardware monitor. First I've seen this. Happen to be running Visual Studio Code for the first time. This product. Keep up the good work. That sucks. Anyway, you succeeded in distracting me. Alright, fire component, there we go. Inventory, 6. If monster choice equal orc. Not in here. You doing that? We are still using the variable. What's up with that? They told me to take it out. Max monsters per room from dungeon level. What? No. Be back later. Actually, we're here now. No, we're not. Not quite. Right below us. It is max monsters per room. Okay. Max items per room. But did they tell me to take out these lines? No? No, we're just overriding max monsters per room and max items per room. And we're still choosing a random integer between 0 and that number. Level 2, 3, 5. Max items per room. 1 or 2, 2, 3, 5. Okay. No. Work fighter component. It has 20 hit points. Defense 0. R4. Much more dangerous than before when the orc has a power of 4. Your defense is only 1. Oh my god, he's got a gun. Fighter component. 30. Ooh. Orc's tough, got defense. Oh, they're gonna kill you. Power 8. 87 points of damage per smack to you. Start. By the time you get there, I'm sure you'll know. Yeah. AI component equal basic monster. If not any entity, if item choice. Mount equal 40 for a healing potion. Or substantial. Still, it should be clear that the main source of healing is going to be changing levels, because that's worth 50 by default, unless you raise up your Constitution. Choice. Item choice. Fireball. Component equal item use. Function cast. No. All that. Cast fireball. Target equal true. Targeting message equal message. The message is going to change. Damage equal 25, radius 3. More damage for lightning? Not be enough to kill a troll. Troll's got 30 hit points now. Okay, lightning does 40 damage. That's right. Yep. It's effectively the same. Only enough damage that a troll will die with one more hit. And enough damage to outright kill the troll with a lightning bolt. The fireball, you need to give it one more hit. Okay. That's all for today's tutorial. It says Okay, see if we finally get to see if delint works. From dungeon level from random utils. See if it works. But I'm going to take us wrong. Wow. It does not. Oh. Cannot import from dungeon level from random utils. Huh. Random utils. Why not? Now we know why it was underlined, I guess. From dungeon level in module, random utils. Kind of implies the module exists from dungeon level. What's going on? From dungeon level. Has a colon after it. What the hell? From dungeon level. Oh, thanks for the follow. I don't know why I didn't hear my alert. Why did my alert not go off? Yep, my bad. I'm sorry. Didn't have my little headbanger go off for you. Anything else accidentally shut off? No. From dungeon level. From dungeon level. Yeah. Why does it ever happen that you feel like this? Utils. Random utils. All lowercase. I mean, we got other stuff. Other stuff I should say. Render functions. You know? It's just render functions. There's render functions.py. Here's in our own directory. Oh, it's right there. Render functions.py random utilities.py random utilities. Yeah, random utils. And you know, it's just a file, you make a definition. Just a file, you import some stuff, you make some classes, you make some definitions. Nothing different. Was it perhaps not saved? I don't exactly... Not certain. I think it was whether it was a... I don't even know. Well, let's find out. Yeah, it doesn't look any different when it's not saved, so maybe it wasn't saved. That's strange. I wouldn't have a obvious indicator there. Oh, here. Okay. Put dots over here. Or not. I'll just try again. Doesn't make any sense. I guess the file wasn't saved. It's a hell of a... That's a hell of a thing to cause a 10-minute delay, you know what I mean? Drive your baddie! Not even any bats in the game. Okay. Game map object has no attribute monster weights. Probably made a typo and used his variable instead of mine. Line 158, game map.py 158. That the whole point of me having a linter was to be able to click on this and go to it. Line 158 in game map.py. Let's find out what happens if I hit Control G. Thank you. Oh no, I wanted to stay there. That's weird. Alright, self.monster weights. Right? Yes. I'm saying I want to use monster weights, but I must have told it over here and not... Self.monster weights. Okay, well he's not doing self.monster chances, so... Why does it even say self? Okay. Aim for the items, please. I should try. Nah. There's gonna be too many of them or something. Thinking if I try to Control D thing. Can't even tell how many it's selecting. Look any different when I deselect. Self.item weights, just get rid of the self. Assert true equal false, should not happen. Line 179, in place entities. 179. Place entity. Blow this up. Do. Monster weights, item weights. $179. It's the first one, because we're doing monster choices and then we're doing item choices. It's failing on monster choices. Oh, yes, I mentioned this before. It was, these were originally capitalized. When he rewrote it, he changed the case. When he rewrote it in this chapter here. Here. I knew those were capitalized. And that's exactly why I constructed it to fail like that with the assert. Because you either got if the monster equals orc, or you got monster equal troll, yet there's nothing to account for what would happen if there was ever whatever reasonable programming error that happened that neither of those was chosen, such as a simple typo. There's nothing for that, so I put this in here. If it's ever not an orc or a troll, well, that should not happen, so I assert that true equals false. Okay. Alright, we're in the dungeon. Dungeon level 1. Get up, let's go. Start off with a healing potion. It's bitchin'. We got 100 hit points now. Big pink bar. And I have a weight key someplace. Boom, yes, weight key works. 1, 2 hits on the orc. Orcs are tougher than they used to be. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I need to five hits on an orc to kill him. Is that right? I might have got a little confused because there were 2 orcs there, but I counted all the hits. Divided by 2. I counted a 10 and divided by 2. Seems logical to me. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. Orc is dead. Yep. So we fought 3 orcs, and we've lost 36 hit points. So we lose 12 hit points per orc. Might not necessarily be right, but I think it is. Small chance I accidentally fought 2 orcs at the same time before. See how much damage he does to us. Well, orc attacks player for 3 hit points, right. He does 12 damage. 1, 2, 3, 4. But yes, we've lost 48 hit points. Perfect. Pick up a healing potion. Good thing we only ever see 1 enemy at a time. So far. Help me maximize our potion usage. Wow. Some kind of Monty Hall campaign. Got 9 healing potions so far. Booyah! 10 healing potions so far. There's a staircase. And it's fully explored, so alright. We'll heal up 50 hit points, so we'll have 90 hit points once we're down there. Yep. And there's 2 orcs. That's pretty bad news. 1, 2, 6, 6. Plus 12, 12, 24. Oh. Yeah. Take 24 damage if I just stay here and fight him. If I run... he's going to get 1 free hit. Oh, it'd still be 24. Maybe I counted wrong here. That's anyway. 1 hit. I saw hit points there. I will drink a potion. Ah, confusion scroll. It's an orc. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Orc's dead. Do 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 do. Okay, level up. Choose a stat to raise. Has to be agility. It's obvious. Now, even if I gain 10 points of strength, I'll still lose hit points. You know, I'll kill everything one shot, but if I get surrounded, there's 2 of them. I can only kill 1, the other one will hit me. I'll lose a hit point. Or whatever. Whereas if I gain 10 agility, I'm definitely immune. And I forget what it was exactly. Should figure it out. Where's our orc damage? Roll damage? Eight. If I get 7 points of defense, I'll never take a point of damage again unless I fireball myself. So that's what I'm saying. Even, you know, 7 points of agility has infinite value. Whereas even 20, 50, 100 points of strength does not have that same value. Min-max. Agility. Defense 2. I accidentally moved into his attack poorly. You can see here we got a defense of 2. Maximum hit points 100, attack 4, defense 2. I better go up here. 45 hit points. $37. The confusion. Okay, down to 21 hit points, so I'll start reading Confusion Scroll. Read Confusion. J. Keep forgetting I have to use the mouse. Boom. 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 I don't know if he ever hits me. I don't believe I've been hit by a confused monster yet. Would be random, shouldn't it? And I have 12 hit points to spare, so we'll fight him the old-fashioned way. Go downstairs, get some hit points. And remember, get ambushed in the first room. It's only one word. Take around this corner. There's a troll. Confused the hell out of him. Boom. The eyes of the troll look vacant as he starts to stumble around. Five, 6, 7, 8. No longer confused. 9. Attacks me for 6. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. That kind of hurt. I'm gonna drink some of these potions. Oh. I hit D for drink, but D is not drink. D is drop. Another orc. No problemo. Just period. Thank you. Hey! Here's up that agility. Defense is 3. Everything's looking good. Ooh, 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 ooh. Almost killed myself. Have anything for you? No? Gotta tough it out, huh? I'm gonna drink a potion night right now. Okay. See how it goes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3. We took 70 hit points of damage. Isn't 70 an odd number? 15 hits? Oh, subtract 1 from 15. It's 14 hits. Still an odd number. 70 divided by... I'm sure it told me. It hit me for 5. 3 divided by 5. 14. What am I doing? My brain fails completely? Yeah, he did 5 hit points of damage per turn. And that's after I leveled up. That's interesting because else... If I hadn't raised up my, yeah. Oh, it's actually perfect. At level 2, he would have done 85 points of damage to me. And at level 1, he would have done 100 points of damage to me. Be dead. The orcs still hurt me? Probably one. Per round. 1, 2... Whoop! Uh-oh! Yeah. Bad. Six, 7, 9, 11, 12. Doesn't say I have any hit points. It should say I have one. It's a little strange, isn't it? No hit points shown. Where's my notes? Extra. Do. Oh, we did finish week 6. Good job. Sure. Changes. Where's my date timestamp? Switching editors sucks. It was this morning that I completed week 6. Working on week 7. Changes. Where'd my other one go? Them both. To do. Seven's now the task. And they're actually the same. Not clear previous message. Oh. Okay, which error was I talking about here? Exactly, yeah. Wrote it down. Hit point text. I understand that the bar might be rounding down to 0. That's debatable. Okay. Let's track how many hits we got. Troll's dead. Gotta scroll for the next troll, but I'll still need more hit points. Probably 66 out of 100. Here's a troll. Uh-oh. Who's coming for it? An orc. Orc's only hitting for 1 hit point these days. Alright, let's use that sucker up. Let's wait till he's next to us. Guess he'll actually be unconfused before I can kill him. But I probably only get 10 attempts. He stays next to me. 1, 2. I didn't click him yet. And he ran away. And he ran away. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 6, 7. Troll's no longer confused. Not even. Boom, 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 boom. Close. Boy. I ain't got nothing but healing potions. I gotta drink that now. There's still 5 hit points for 15 rounds. 70 hit points? Really? Did I drink my other potion? What was the green stuff? Where's the green stuff? Had some green messages, I don't know. No. There's no secret doors yet, so that's it for the level. Here's an orc. How's our experience? Need 120 more. Level up. Get us some more defense. Pick up the lightning scroll. I want to check something else too. Right now, troll is doing 15 times 5 equals 75 damage. I take one more defense, so we're doing 15 times 4 equals 60 damage. I took one power. They have 60 hit points? I have 100. No? Oh, 30 with a defense of 2. Two and 2. Alright. 30 divided by 2. That would be 30 divided by 3. It's 10 rounds. 5 points of damage would be 50 damage. Okay, so it turns out that I would be killing trolls faster if I leveled up my power rather than my defense. But like I said, that's not the metagame. But at least it is a somewhat interesting situation. Fusion scroll. Got 2 of those? Oh, I got a lightning scroll sometime. Alright. Good. One less troll to worry about. Alright, level up. Agility. Boom. Oh, where'd you come from? 3 monsters per room now. You pick up the healing potion. A lightning scroll. It's great. Finally got some good stuff for trolls. Finding all kinds of loot now. Drop rate's gone up. You're a troll. Take the 60 points of damage. Knowing that we're going to heal 50 next level. Save our lightning when we need it. Just like that. Waka! Ah, like that. Yes, very much like that. It's gonna... Lightning's gonna hit the wrong guy. York, take a free shot. Okay. Oh, troll is dead. York is dead. Lightning scroll. Level 5. Boom. Boom. Patrol. I'll use a confusion when he's next to me. Troll's no longer confused. I think I got 2 lightning scrolls. 1, 2, 3 lightning scrolls. Yep, we'll use one now. I assume he's in range. 1, 2, he's 3 squares away. Yep. What is the range on that lightning scroll? The fireball radius of 3. Lightning scrolls, it's not come out that way. Just the closest monster, period. Interesting. Yeah. Level up! Agility, please. Orcs probably aren't hurting me. Yeah. Looks to be an orc. Easy mode now. Ba la ba 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 ba. Ba 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 ba. Troll. It won't be 60 damage. It'll be 45 damage. Sounds a little risky. If I don't take him now, what am I saving him for? Healing potion. I computed something wrong. How many hit points did he take off of me? 52. 13 rounds of 4, I guess. Whatever, dude. Did I pick everything up? Those were just corpses? Made me think. Oh! The confusion scroll. Don't actually gotta worry about the orcs, but... on to 80 hit points. Doo-dee-doo-doo-doo. Oh, agility, please. Got 6 now. just control all the orcs and not kill them. But we're not actually trying to crash the game quite yet. Finish it once. And we haven't even got a fireball scroll yet. Oh, I'm going to fight this troll out. He's doing 2 hit points to me. All right. 2. 1, 2. $28 hit points is 2 times 14. That math works out. No. It's a tough fight. Got a grunt. Oh no! Troll sneaking up behind me. Jay. These healing potions. I don't need them after much longer. There's a fireball scroll, finally. Oh, with 2 trolls. Perfect. Yeah. Now, not going to kill them, but they'll all die to 1 more hit. Fireball scroll. 1, 2, 3 squares away from me. Got all the orcs. Both trolls should be wounded. 1. Oh, it didn't work. 2. Doing less damage than I thought. Had to hit him twice. Alright, let's raise up our agility. Only take 1 hit point of damage from trolls. Yep. 2. Boom, 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 boom. The fireball scroll. Level 7. Is that max level? Do I have to pick an enemy to use? No, I don't. A fireball scroll. I was able to hit the troll even though he was out of line of sight. The secondary troll in the back. Like I say, if I don't take care of him now, if I don't use up my healing potions. Oh, there we go. That seemed like a really quick level. I had more trolls than usual. And now I'm immune. Okay. Defense 8. Experience level 1400. Looks good. Easy mode. Oh, what's the green text? It's when they got vacant eyes is green text for one, but that was it. Saw some yellow. Not care anymore. Stop confusion scroll. Stop confusion scroll. Stop confusion scroll. Bam 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 bam. Control. Bam 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 bam. Two trolls, raise it up. Alright, now we finally get to take some strength. Put a lay down on some dudes. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we kill orcs in 4 strikes rather than 5. Ah, drop. Drop it, use it. Yeah, we heal. That's green. Five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Still trolling 10 blows instead of 15. That's much better. Oh, you're already at full health. You can't drink a healing potion. What was the max level of difference changes? It'd be level 7 for troll generation. Level 4 for items per room, level 6 for monsters per room. Six for fireball scrolls. 6, and we're at dungeon level 8. Alright. I have to call that game over, because, of course, character level 9. Oh, well, we'll go for 10, just because, you know. There we go. More strength, of course. 1, 2, 3, 4. Four trolls in a room. Wow. Would have been tough if I wasn't immortal. There are 4 trolls in a row. Really hacking your way in there. Alright. Oh, lightning scrolls? Yep. Take them, so healing potions. But yep, we'll save the game there. Yep. Shift S to save. That doesn't work. Yep. Let's quit. Okay. That's the game. Well, there's one more step. It's the improved game, rebalance. You do? Name and delete save files. Randomize damage. Where are we going? Okay, let's my archive ran, please. Yes, it did. So we are quitting. Do. It's one of my buddies streaming right now. One of our buddies. He's got it streams Adam Unspoiled. Roguelike buddies. Yes. Okay, yeah, if you want, go ahead and check out Ziggy Justice. Fool around with some kind of a, what do you call it? Face rig? Oh. Alright. Oh, yeah, so I was going to, before we move on to 13, just back up, do whatever I usually do, except I'm just being a little weird because I'm trying to do it with this Visual Studio Code. I can do it from here. Oh, let's check out all these problems. Yeah, any more problems? No problems have been detected. Am I amazing or what? Alright. Get status. Yeah. Need to change that background. Yep. Get add all. Okay, let's get status, get add all, git commit, message, part, part 12 complete. Alright. Git push, origin master. Okay.